Hi everyone and welcome to another card making video. In this video I'm making this simple but very cute mini slimline card with the adorable lemon from Lawn Fawn. The online shop Crescent Creation gifted me some crafting supplies that I will use in this video and some upcoming videos as well. Thanks for that! If you want to check out Crescent Creation, you can find a link in the description. Keep watching my video for a discount code. So without further ado, let's get started. As always, I start with coloring my images. If you want to skip watching me color, you can skip to the time that pops on the screen now. You can also find the clickable time link in the description. I use my Copic markers for the coloring and I put the color number on the left of my paper so you know which color number I use. The lemon is from You're the Zest. The branches and leaves are from A Bugs Deal, but you could also use the branches from Fantastic Friends, which I also used for the sentiment. I like to stamp in my MISTI. This way I can stamp multiple times till I have a nice crisp impression. Next up is adding highlights with a white gel pen. I already die cut the images with the matching dies off screen before coloring. I'm taking the paper over to my MISTI and I'm stamping on the different faces found in the You're the Zest stamp set. After that, I'm using the R22 Copic marker to add some blushy cheeks. I like to layer on my cards to add some dimension. So I'm using both mini slimline sets from Lawn Fawn. With the biggest one, I cut a striped pattern paper and with the smaller one a white piece of cardstock. With the lots of stars background stencils, I'm making a background. I place one of the stencils and I temporarily add some purple tape on the back to keep it in place. I'm using Distress Oxide, Salvage Patina and a blending brush to blend all the stars. Then I peel off the stencil and I align the next stencil. I'm blending these with peacock feathers. After that, I peel off the purple tape. I don't want the background to be so bright white, so I also use peacock feathers to go around the edge. Uncharted Mariner is also a great color for this. Now it's time to assemble. I use my ATG gun to add the striped pattern paper to my craft paper card base. To create some dimension, like I said before, I'm using tin foam tape to add the starry background to the card. Now it's time to make the scene. From Fantastic Friends I got this sentiment that's perfect for this scene. I heat embossed that in white on black cardstock and I cut that out with one of the everyday sentiment banners. Now I lay everything down till I'm happy with the scene. Then I adhere the lemons and the leaves to the branches. That way it's easier to add foam tape to everything. The foam tape will give the card some dimension too. Lastly, I'm adding the sentiment banner with glue. This way it's behind the lemons and will give those even more dimension. And with that my card is finished. This card is very simple, but if I say so myself, very cute. Lawn Fawn images always combine really well with each other, and especially with the mini sets it's fun to add some different images to create different scenes. Be sure to check out the Crescent Creation shop and use the discount code PETER20 to get a 20% discount even on items in the sale. I linked the website in the description. I hope you enjoyed watching my video and that you feel inspired to get crafty as well. If so, please consider leaving a thumbs up, subscribing to my channel and ringing the bell to receive a notification when a new video is up. Thanks for watching, see you next time, bye!